If you're programming on Windows, you might need to use the Windows API at some point. The Windows API is a fossil from the 1990s, with decades of accumulated technical debt, backward compatibility hacks, and design decisions from an era when memory was measured in kilobytes. It's the perfect example of how not to design an API, but it's preserved in perpetuity through the requirements of backward compatibility. The variables have inconsistent naming conventions, including weird, outdated Hungarian notation, and many of the types are obfuscated macros. You'll see types like LPCSTR everywhere, which stand for long pointer to const string. Furthermore, dealing with errors is ridiculous. Many Windows API functions return a simple boolean or null and require a separate call to get last error, but it's thread local, so any intervening call to the Windows API might change it before you retrieve the value. Some functions document several different error codes, others have undocumented error codes, and many share the same error codes for different failure modes. And to get a human-readable message, you have to call this function with 7 parameters. The entire API is filled with functions that require obscure flags and magic numbers. The boilerplate to get anything done is absurd. You need like 20 lines of code to read one value from the registry. Take a look at this documentation, which illustrates how to launch a window for opening files. This is meant to be a basic example, and every little thing that you do is like this. It's a complete nightmare. Here's a 1,500-page book for you to read to understand the Windows API. The cognitive burden of C++ is already insane, but adding this to the mix will surely make any beginner programmer's head explode.